everyone, this is Charu, legal intern at Lexis and Company. This video is about the procedure of patent which involves 10 steps. So without any delay, let's get into the video. The first step is concerned with writing about inventions, that is idea or concept, with each and every detail. Collect all information about your invention such as the field of invention, what does the invention describe, how about it work, how does it work, benefits of invention. If you worked on the invention and during the research and development phase, you should have call lab records which are duly signed with the date by you and the concerned authority. The second step is it must involve a diagram, drawing and sketch explaining the invention. Drawings and drawing should be designed that the visual work can be better explained with the invention work. They play an important role in the patent applications. The third step is to check whether the invention is patentable subject or not. Not all inventions can be patentable as per the Indian Patent Act. There are some inventions which have not been declared patentable. That is, the inventions are not cannot be patentable. Step 4, patent discovery. The next step will be to find out if your inventions meets all patent criteria as per the Indian Patent Act. The invention must be novel, the invention must be non-obvious, the invention must have industrial applications. Step 5 is to file a patent application. If you are at a very early stage in research and development for your invention, then you can go for a provisional application. It offers the following benefits such as filing date, 12 months time for filing full specification, lesser cost, and after filing a provisional application you can secure the filing date, which is very important in the patent world. You get 12 months to come up with the complete specification. Your patent application can be removed at the end of 12 months. When you have completed the required documents and your research work is at a level where you can have prototypes and experimental results to prove your intent to move, you can file the complete specification with the patent application. Filing the provisional specification is an optional step if you are in the stage where you have complete knowledge about your invention. You can go straight to the full specification. Step 6 is publication of the application. Upon filing the complete specification along with the application for the patent, the application is published 18 months after the first filing. If you do not wish to wait until the expiration of 18 months from the filing date of to publish your patent application, an initial publication request may be made with the prescribed fee. The patent application is usually published early as 1 month from request. Step 7 is to request for examination. The patent application is scrutinized only after receiving a request from an RFE examination. After receiving this request, the controller gives your patent application to a patent examiner who examines the patent application, such as the various patent eligibility criteria like patent subject, newness, lack of clarity, inventory steps, industrial application. By enabling the examiner makes the first examination report of your patent application upon a review for the above conditions. This is called patent prosecution. Everything that happens for a patent application before the grant of a patent is usually called patent prosecution. The first examination report submitted to the controller by the examiner usually includes prior art, that is existing documents prior to the filing date, that are similar to the claimed invention, and it's also reported to the patent applicant. Step 8 is answer the objections. Most patent applicants will receive some type of objections based on the examination report. The best thing is to analyze the examination report with the patent professional, that is the patent agent, and react to the objections in the examination report. This is an opportunity for an investor to communicate his novelty over the prior art in examination reports. Inventor and patent agents create and send a test response that tries to prove that their invention is indeed patentable and meets all patent criteria. Step 9 is clearance of objections. The controller and the patent applicant is conducted for ensuring that all objections raised regarding the invention or application is resolved and the inventor has a fair chance to prove his point and establish novelty and inventive steps on other existing arts. Upon receiving a patent application in order for grant, it is the first grant for a patent applicant. Step 10 is once all patent requirements are met, the application will be placed for the grant. The grant of a patent is notified in the patent journal, which is published periodically. Now, what are the authorities concerning patent? The controller of patent is considered as the principal officer responsible for administering the patent system in India. The controller is regarded as the overall supervisor of the 4 patent offices in Chennai, Delhi, Mumbai and Kolkata. Since the controller also acts as the registrar of trademarks with the head office of trade office in Mumbai, the controller acts as a patent from his office in Mumbai. Officially, the patent has its head office in Kolkata. Patents granted under the Patents Act and other offices of the Patent Office discharge their functions under the direction or regulation of the controller. So that's it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to like this video, comment your feedbacks and subscribe to Lex Click for more legal stuff.